So it's the worst kept secret in local track and field. Shelley and Fraser Price is not being coached by her longtime coach, Stephen Francis. It remains unofficial. But Fraser Price is being conditioned by coach Ronaldo Walcott, the current coach at St. Elizabeth Technical and a one-time member of the MVP coaching staff. And of course, with no one admitting or denying this development, it leaves the Maverick to do what I do best, to extrapolate and to speculate. And it's long time they are said to get the best out of both Shelley and Elaine. They should not be in the same camp and not be coached by the same coach. So what is happening now should have been happening a long time ago. I have always wondered how Stephen Francis coached Shelley to beat Elaine and coach Elaine to beat Shelley. Because that is what coaches do with big athletes. You coach them to win. And I don't think Shelley and Elaine were being allowed to be the rivals they should be in order to get the best out of them. So with Shelley apparently now leaving MVP, these two champion athletes will finally get to compete as actual rivals. And we hope that for the Olympics next year, for the very first time, we will get the best performance from Shelley and from Elaine, with the two of them really trying to win at the same time. Yes. And it won't be a crime. Yes. Right, Toronto.